Hey guys, it's Joe with VMP. We're here with Josh's 2013 Boss 302. The car has a VMP Gen1 Supercharger on it. Josh brought it in to get everything dialed in with the new fuel system on the car. Let's get it up on the dyno and see what it does. So we just got finished with Josh's car on the dyno. The car made 700 horsepower, 630 pound-feet of torque with our older VMP Gen1 Supercharger. The car also has a twin 60mm throttle body, a JLT 123mm Kohler intake, a set of ID1000 fuel injectors, and he just finished installing a 4 fuel system in the car. As far as the exhaust side of things goes, it has a set of Cooks long tube headers, an H-pipe, and a Corsa Sport Catback. So the car sounds really good, really clean. No drone or anything like that. And all in all, next step for Josh is to throw a little bit more pulley at the car, get the boost up a little, maybe change the throttle body. I believe his end goal is around 800 wheel. Should be very attainable with a few more bolt-ons on the car, and I look forward to working with him in the future. If you guys want to see more videos with things like what we did to Josh's car here, make sure you hit that like, share, and subscribe button and hit the bell for notifications.